Hi everyone, welcome to Taian Dongtai. Today we will show you our HEUI injector test bench, CAT4400L test bench. Now let's review the test bench testing system. Here is the testing system. And here is the HEUI injector testing system. It can be tested around 49 kinds injector. From here, we can choose the different HEUI injector part number and do the different testing. This one is the emergency stop switch. Fuel pump open switch, open stop switch. Oil pump open and off switch. Fuel heating switch. Oil heating switch. And the power switch. Open the working room. We have two model HEUI injector stand. This one is for Caterpillar 3126B injector and C7, C9. And another one is for Caterpillar 3412E injector and the Isuzu injector. This test bench we use to set oil route. This one is the oil return pipe connection. The fuel oil return pipe connection. Fuel oil injection pipe connection. And the oil injector pipe connection. This one is the HEUI injector stand and the fuel pressure gauge. The glass tube. This test bench, we can use two methods to test the testing date. One is use the flow sensor, and another one we can use the glass tube to check the testing date. This one is the injector pipe connection. Connect the injector. And here, control the flow. This one is a glass tube. The fuel pressure regulation. Solenoid valve. Fans. Filter. Oil flow sensor. The fans. Automatic pressure regulation valve. The control board. Diesel flow sensor. The cable connection. After we finish the testing, we can from the printer to print the testing report. Diesel filter. Diesel motor. And the diesel tank. oil tank, oil filter, the plunger pump, and the main motor. Now let's welcome our engineer show you how to testing the injector. At first, choose the correct HEUI injector part number. Open the fuel pump switch and adjust the pressure valve. Then open the oil pump switch. Open the fuel heating switch and oil heating switch.测试完。 Now finish the testing. From here, we can check the testing report. And click Print. Can choose the printer and then print the testing report.